How about we solve maximum value in a sorted and rotated array problem today? If you think of solving this problem in a brute force approach, right, it is a simple iterative problem, right? But the effective way for solving this problem is with the help of binary searching technique. But the question that you might have might be, you are saying that the array is pivoted after a point. That means that the array is strictly not sorted. Then how can we apply the binary searching technique? So the idea is we need to modify the binary searching technique a bit so that the solution can be arrived from the same as well. Let me just explain that. Just like a simple binary searching technique, what we will do is we will simply calculate the middle. At the middle index, the value we have is 66. Now this middle index value will be compared with the value we have at the start index. Here, by comparing the value we have at the middle with the value we have at the start index, we are still in the sorted portion. That means the value will be anywhere from middle till the end of the array. That is the reason why start we will update it with the middle itself. So start is at 3, end is at 7. Again we will calculate the middle. So middle is nothing but 5 right now. Again the value we have at the middle is minus 16 and the value we have at the start is nothing but 66. The value we have at the middle is greater. That means from start till middle we are in the unsorted territory now. So the maximum value will be there anywhere from start till end only. Start will be at 3, end will be updated to 5. Again we will calculate the middle. 4. Again the value we have at the middle and the value we have at the start get compared. At this point of time, again the same thing is happening. That is the reason why at this point start will be pointing to 3, end will be pointing to 4. Again we will calculate the middle. The middle is nothing but index 3. Again the value we have at the middle and the value we have at the start, both of them are compared, they are equal. At this point of time, end we will be updating with the start itself. So both start and end will be pointing to the index 3 itself. Now if you observe, since both start and end are pointing to the same index, we no longer need to calculate the middle again, so we can exit out of the loop. And here, whatever the index that this value is pointing to, that itself will be the maximum value. So here, the middle index, right, basically the start or end is pointing to 3 and that 3 itself is the maximum value. So that is an effective way of finding the maximum value in a sorted and rotated array. Okay, if at all if you want to understand this thoroughly, you can check out the link in the description.